guys, it's your girl being Natasha Nicole here. I am coming through to do a revamp wig video. This is a wig that I purchased maybe like a year or so ago. I can't even remember, but I've had this hair for a while. I found it in my hair closet and I wanted something different. It's winter time or it's fall time, and I just wanted something that was just a little more color because I'm really thinking about going kind of ginger-ish. So I was like, let's just start here with this skunk stripe. And I've been seeing everybody do the skunk stripes and the different colors and everything else. And I wanted to get in on the action, you know what I mean? So this is what it came out like, and I am absolutely in love with this hairstyle. I think it is so cute and it's so fall appropriate. It has fall colors. I really like it. So yeah. So if you want to see how I got this hair or what I did to achieve this hairstyle, then just keep on watching. Alright, so jumping straight into the video, this is Wind Girl hair. I will leave a link above when I first reviewed this hair, but this hair is bomb. I love this wig, but we just need a little something different. So we're going to do a skunk stripe, and I decided to do a little piece in the back, as you can see. Just a nice, decent sized chunk that I wanted to match my skunk stripe. Whenever you're making your skunk stripe, make sure you use a decent sized chunk. I maybe use like a 4" by 1" depth. And that would just make sure that, you know, that it looks right when it's all done. And you want to braid those so you can keep them separate, so it'll make your bleaching process super easy. I'm just using my BW2 bleach and a 40 volume developer. I wanted to make sure that my bleach had a very soupy consistency, just so it was easy to, you know, go through the hair and it wasn't so thick. You want to make sure that you kind of comb it out just so, you know, you're being very precise with your bleaching. You feel me? And there's no way to really bleach hair. I just started at the bottom, now we here. But you just want to make sure that you get as close as you can to the roots. I know that I wanted to leave a little bit of root space just because it would just help it blend really well. So I just made sure to kind of give it a gradient effect when I was applying the bleach. And you want to make sure that you're just really rubbing it through and just making sure to coat every strand possible. I did use a little piece of tinfoil just to make sure that I was kind of keeping the heat in, making sure that I was getting the hair to lift as much as possible on the first attempt. So I just went ahead and did the exact same thing to the back portion as well. I didn't really section that off at all. I just kind of put it on there and just really worked it in with my hands a lot. And so this is after 30 minutes of letting the bleach sit. And it was lifting pretty well, but I decided to go through and just kind of comb it out just to make sure that I didn't have any dark spots or anything that I may have missed. So I just went ahead and put the rest of the bleach that I had on the hair just to make sure that the bleach wasn't drying out or anything. And just trying to get an even bleach, a little toned, you know. And this is the top portion as well. The only thing I did different with the top after the first 30 minutes, I did go through and kind of more so foil it just because I wanted to make sure that it was getting an adequate amount of bleach on each strand, as well as, you know, with the foils that create more heat, which would allow it to lift a little bit better versus it just being all in one piece of foil. So I don't know why I did it. I did though. And then I let that sit for another 30 minutes. Then I proceeded to just go ahead and wash the hair out. I'm using the Shimmering Lights shampoo. This was just to tone the hair. So I put this shampoo on there and I let it sit for maybe about 20 minutes just to make sure that it was kind of, didn't come out too red. And this was the final look after it was air dried and everything. I like it. I think I may go back in and bleach it one more time. I'm not sure, but we just stuck with it for right now. And so now I'm just getting ready to apply my wig. I'll let y'all watch all this because y'all know the deal. I may chime in a few times because there are a few new products that it's a must. Like, you must have them. One, this Even Spray, plug. Lid, I love this because it's a little bit thicker, and if you're like me and take off your wigs every night, you need this spray because it's amazing. It's amazing. Your wig will stay all day, and then it just takes water for it to come off. So super easy. And if you are a glueless girl like me, you will love this spray as well. And when you're using that spray, you want to make sure that you tie it down. I only tie my hair down maybe about 5 minutes before it's pretty stuck, and then you can go through and style and respray if you have to. The next product, this Shine and Jam Mousse Lid, it allows you to have a little more time to work with your baby hairs. I've been liking using a mousse lately versus a foam. It just kind of gives me a little more time to work with it, and this one is one that I actually really like. And this line right here by Design Essentials, the wigs and extensions, y'all need to go grab that. You need to go grab it. What I was using was the thermal serum. It was like kind of like a heat protectant, because I decided to do one pass with the flat iron on my hair just because I had let the hair air dry, and I just wanted my curls to come out really sleek and just look really finished. And this stuff really gave a lot of shine to my hair, especially since it had been bleached. I was just trying my best to, you know, just not fry the colored part of the hair, honestly. And as you can see, my baby hairs are laid, baby, laid. So now I'm just parting my hair back to the same spot as it was before, like when I bleached it. I didn't have a choice but to wear a left side part, but that was fine. I didn't care. And so now on to the curling process. I am using my ion curler. I believe this was like an inch barrel. I bought this from Sally's like so long ago, like 8 years ago. But this is one of my favorite curling irons. And I'm just doing curls going towards the back because I just wanted like a just effortless kind of look. Now, when I got to the top, I made sure to, I'm getting a little ahead of myself, but I made sure to pin curl the top just because I really wanted volume, because that was the look I was going for this time. So I just really wanted some volume there. So I know I just wanted to pin curl it while I did my makeup and everything, and it could have time to cool. And so my hair would actually stay because I did use a bigger barrel curling iron. So just didn't want my curls to fall too fast. Baby, we's laid. Look at that lace. Look at his hair. Get into it. And now that I come back with my makeup done, I'm just using my Garnier Fructis oil, finishing oil, and I'm just kind of using that on the colored part of my hair just to give it a little shine. And just take my hands and go through my hair, and we are done. That's it, baby. That's the look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, y'all make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, make sure you subscribe, because baby, subscribe. What are you doing? Just subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Deuces.